the last speaker in this session is Steve Kunzer, who's the Chief Executive Officer of Lila Global. Stephen, over to you.
Good morning, honoured guests, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Steve Kunzer, CEO of Lila Global, a ship-owning company based here in Dubai and Dubai's largest ship owner. Lila Global is a ship owner, a tonnage provider. We currently have a diversified fleet of 41 mid-age vessels on the water, tankers, bulk carriers, LNG carriers, container vessels, and even a cruise ship. We employ and are responsible for more than 2,000 seafarers and shore staff. So far in 2023, we have moved more than 23 million tons and called at more than 400 ports. The average age of our mid-age fleet is 14.8 years. Within each of the vessel classes, we have further diversification. We manage everything in-house: commercial, operations, technical, legal, insurance, claims, IT, absolutely everything. And we're expanding. We aim to transport cargo safely and efficiently with superior quality and performance, exceeding all our stakeholders' expectations. Lila Global is a value investor. We buy where we see most value, and we operate cost effectively. As the old adage goes, you'll never make money in shipping by overpaying when you buy ships. We believe in investing in mid-age assets and repairing and extending the life of ships, which frankly is much more environmentally friendly and sustainable than ordering new buildings for various fundamental reasons. People don't like to hear this, but frankly, the sooner this uncomfortable truth is accepted, the better. We're into sustainability, and we're making our tonnage much more energy efficient. There are 3 simple ways shipping can become more energy efficient and sustainable. This is through the 3 C's and the 3 R's. We can consume less, we can consume better, and through systematic change. And the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. That's why we invest in mid-age ships. Currently, most depreciation takes place in the first 10 years of the vessel's life from new building to 10 years old. So we deeply understand the residual value of these mid-age vessels. For us, meeting the IMO's decarbonization goals is our foremost objective. We are reducing our fuel consumption by retrofitting and installing EEDs, energy-saving devices, installing PBCFs, installing digital mass flow meters, shaft power meters, and low-friction coatings. We're using speed optimization, trim optimization, and weather routing, all to reduce our fuel consumption. New building tonnage consumes a lot of energy and produces a lot of CO2. So in the life cycle of a ship, the new building is responsible for nearly 90% of the CO2 emissions. Because you've got to make steel. You know, iron ore and coal has to be mined. It's got to be transported from the port, producing CO2, and then shipped from A to B on a vessel, producing CO2, then discharged and finally railed to the steelworks, and more energy used again to make the steel. All this produces CO2, and for every ton of steel, roughly 1.8 tons of CO2 is emitted in the steel production process. Change is already happening. The shipping is undergoing various regulatory changes, such as EEXI and CII. At the present time, various fuel options are available, such as dual fuel, LNG, methanol, ammonia fuel cells. But despite what previous speakers have said, there's no real consensus, and this is the problem. As I said, repairing and extending the life of mid-age ships is much more environmentally friendly and better for business, and that's why we do it. Thank you.